Hi everyone, my name is Miss A. I'll be your teacher today, and today's lesson is about coughing and sneezing. All people cough and sneeze. Coughing or sneezing have droplets, achoo, that can spread germs. I can try my best to cough or sneeze into my elbow. Achoo! Wearing a mask can stop the spread of droplets. If I'm not wearing a mask, I need to use my elbow. Achoo! I should also keep my finger out of my nose. Fingers in noses can spread germs. Instead of my finger, I can use a tissue. I can clean my nose, and then when I'm finished, I can throw it away. Then I should wash my hands or use sanitizer. Another way to stop the spread of germs is to avoid touching my face. That means my eyes, nose, and mouth. If I'm wearing a mask, it's best to avoid touching it unless I'm taking it off or putting it on. Keeping toys and school supplies out of my mouth will stop spreading germs as well. My teacher and my family will be so proud of me when I do my part to avoid the spread of germs.